Sup, backing up, you guys. I'm Real Fan Land, and here is CSX E800 right now. Here we go. Here's CSX E800 empty coal right now. Here we go in the blizzard once again. Here he is. And wind chill -10. Here we go. Here he is right now. There he is. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. There he is right now. There he is. Slow moving like usual. Burns the Northern car, there he goes. Another Burns and Over car, there it goes. More Burns and Over cars right there, look at that. Pair of Burns and Over cars, pretty cool. That's a shiny, semi-shiny car. Never being self car, there it goes. That's different, a yellow marking than a BNSF car is different. I like the red marking for BNSF, it's different. Burns the Northern car, there it goes. Never Burns a Northern car right there. It's like, I don't know how many, but a lot of empty coal coming out of the plant. Picking up speed, here we go. He's picking up speed now. Never Burns Northern car right there. Burns and Northern. Or BN for short. That's an old car. Look at that. It's pretty old. All these are beaters. All these are beater cars, I tell you what. Another Burns Norman car right there. Pick up speed. Here we go. Sure hope so. I'm standing in the cold out here. Oh, here we go. Pick up speed now. Burns Norman car right now. There it is. Another Burns and Norman car right there. Another Burns and Norman car right there. They're gonna speed quite a bit now. Here we go. The end should be here pretty quick any second now. Way he's going in should be here any second now. Here we go. Should be seeing it here any second. No, it's very hard to see now. It's snowing in Bull and like crazy. Burns and Norman car, there he goes. Another Burns and Norman car, there he goes. Maybe just one of the things you see the end. Here comes the end of the train, guys. Niggas saw it. Here's the end of the train, guys, and there it goes. Wait. Yep. There's the end, and there it goes.